So, dear children, we'll have a practical class today. So, here we see mainly identification of animal specimens. Okay, there are so many specimens there. Okay, so some of them there are vertebrates also and invertebrates also. They're in the they're in the place where they are all stored. All right, and today in this session I have taken some of the specimens which in majority belong to invertebrata, but one or two I see from the vertebrata also. So here in this session what we do is that as the topic suggests, that is identification of animal specimens. Whichever specimens are provided to you, you try to identify them. Alright, you draw them nicely, alright, in your copy. So now you can roughly draw it, but after going home, you will draw it nicely, neatly. Okay, try to label them and identify them. So identify means what you do is that you try to write its local name, okay, common name like English name and scientific name. Besides this, you also find the classes they belong to, alright, order they belong to, and the phylum mainly is your phylum what they belong to. You try to find them all and identify them. You just get the details of those specimens provided to you. Alright. See here, so what you are drawing, what is there with you? Which specimen is there with you? See that? That is yours? Seahorse, okay, that one? The other one? Sea cucumber, okay, try to find out all the details about it. Alright, so boys, what is that?
Starfish.
Okay, starfish, okay. Yours? Okay, what is that? Frog. So it's showing a complete life cycle of frog, it seems. Is it?
Yes.
Okay. Draw them all nicely and get the details. Yes. Okay. So here we have got the specimen of snakes also. Different types of snakes also we have got here. So afterwards, once you finish it here, you can just have a look at it. Okay. We have got different animal and plant specimens out here. So we'll do it. We'll see them once we finish this practical class. Okay. Okay. So here, see here, all of you. Here, I've just picked up one of these specimens provided to you. That is the life cycle of cockroach. It's completely shown out here. See, and she has completely drawn the figures, the diagrams, and the specimens provided here in this particular specimen. Alright, and this cockroach is locally known as sangle, yes, it is called. Its local name is sangle. Common name is cockroach. Alright. Then its scientific name is Periplaneta americana. Okay, Periplaneta americana. Okay. Alright. And phylum belongs to arthropoda. Okay, at least this much. At least you may not be knowing the class, okay, order they belong to, but at least you try to write at least this much. Local name, okay, common name or English name, scientific name, and the phylum they belong to. As I was talking about this cockroach, it's locally known as sangle. English name is cockroach that you all know, and scientific name is Periplaneta americana. Periplaneta americana. Please see here. The first letter of the genus is always capital. Alright? Remember this rule. First letter of genus is always capital and first letter of species. Okay, second name is always small letter. And once you finish writing this, you have to underline them separately here, as I have done. Periplaneta is underlined and Americana is underlined. So this is the rule of writing scientific name. So it belongs to Arthropoda. Listen, why it is Arthropoda? What are the characteristics of Arthropoda? The characteristics of Arthropoda mainly, see this one. They have got jointed legs. They have got jointed legs. As you see here, this cockroach has jointed legs. Alright. What you see out here is that here you are provided with the permanent site. This contains a transverse section of mammalian intestine. Okay, intestine of mammal. The transverse section of intestine of mammal is already there in the permanent slide. Okay, we'll see under microscope one by one. Okay, and we'll try to draw what you see here there in the lab notebook also. Do you see something that in pink? Yes? Okay, next. Yes, next, fast. Can you see? This is transverse section of intestine of mammal. What you see there is all actually same. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, it's better you draw. This is how we have to see. Okay, so as you go to our classes like the college level, you have to prepare the slides by yourself. There are two types of slides we make, that is temporary and permanent. So this is your permanent slide, which we can use afterwards also. You can preserve it for many years. Alright? Today, because of lack of time, okay, and due to some technical tricks, in fact, I have already adjusted here and made you see here under the microscope. I hope you all have seen it. Alright, you please draw in your lab notebook what you have seen here. What you saw here, you saw that is the transverse section of intestine of mammal. Alright, so today we'll do only this one. Thank you very much.